Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're going to be talking about Venmo, and more specifically, we're going to talk about Venmo QR codes and how to find them and a light overview on what they are. So first off, if you're not familiar with Venmo, it is a really popular cash transfer system or payment system, and you may have seen it in a lot of pop culture like on Twitter or Instagram. And what it's used for a lot of times is if you are out with some friends and let's say that you ordered dinner, instead of splitting the bill and exchanging cash, with Venmo you can just send the money directly for a very precise amount instead of digging around for change or trying to split a $20 bill. With Venmo you can actually just send that money directly to your friend or family member or somebody you're with, maybe a coworker, for your portion of the bill. So that's pretty neat. So let's go ahead and open up the app. The Venmo app is this blue and white one right here. If you don't have it already, be sure to check the video description. I'll try to leave a link down there, or you can easily download it in the App Store or Google Play. So I'm going to open it now. All right, so I went ahead and opened up my Venmo app right now. This is the home screen. It just goes over some recent transactions of folks throughout the world, but we're not going to pay attention to that. Again, what we're talking about today is the QR code. I thought this was going to be an interesting video because I was at a vendor yesterday and the vendor had a image of their QR code on their counter. So this particular person only accepts cash or Venmo, so they don't take credit card. And instead of texting or explaining their username to every one of their customers, and they have hundreds of customers each day, they just put their QR code on their counter, which was really convenient. So all I had to do was just scan their QR code and then that person's payment information popped right up. So what if you want to do that with your Venmo QR code? How do you find it? Well, that's pretty easy. All you do is just click right here on this menu screen, this three little lines on the top left. All right, and once you are in this screen, it brings up the menu options, so you can take a look at your Venmo card, recent purchases, notifications, things like that. But that doesn't matter at this point. What we're going to do is we're going to click on this little icon up here on my profile photo, and it looks like a little tiny QR code. So I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and clicked on my QR code, and this QR code, if somebody wants to send me money, all they would have to do is just scan this QR code, then my payment information pops up, and it's really easy for them to send me money. And if you happen to run a small business and you like to accept payments through Venmo, you can actually print out this QR code also and email it or text it or print it out and put it at your business location, and that way people can pay you directly through Venmo. So that's really convenient. What about you? Have you used your QR code through Venmo for a different reason? Be sure to leave me a comment below. I'm always kind of curious to see what the viewers use these functions for. And if you happen to be inside of a location looking to scan someone's QR code for their Venmo, that's really easy to do. Here at the top section, you can see my QR code or scan. All you have to do is click scan, and if you've given access to your camera through Venmo, then the camera function will light up and you can easily just scan that person's QR code using the scan function in your Venmo. So there you have it. That is the Venmo QR code and how to use it and what it can be used for. If you like the video, be sure to click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.